everybody. So today we are going on a trip.
Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording. So we're going to go on a trip today. We are going to, well, right now we're going to go to Valencia. We're going to go to Hurricane Harbor. Everybody say Hurricane Harbor on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, Hurricane Harbor!
Hurricane Harbor!
Yay! So, and then we're going to go to LA, and we're going to Balboa Bay.
1, 2, 3, and then,
When she says it.
So we're going to go to Balboa Bay, right?
Or Paseo.
Or Paseo, we don't know yet. We have not decided yet. So Hurricane Harbor is a water park, and there's a bunch of cool slides and stuff like that, and it's awesome. It's gonna be awesome. So
Where's
yeah.
your sister? Oh, we forgot your sister. Oh my goodness, where is she?
So our sister is at my sister is at
Our
college.
sister.
My sister is at college, but she's taking college classes, so she's not actually
Here in the car somewhere.
probably.
Oh, I never take that stuff. What? Go.
Okay, so we're back, and we picked up our lovely sister, my lovely sister.
Our lovely sister.
So
Hello, my brothers and sisters. I come to talk to my sister.
okay, give me the
It's great.
Give me
Okay,
those. So she likes to pretend she's Helga, so
Can we get
yeah, I'm
the
Olga.
Olga?
Yeah, I'm Olga.
Caffeinator.
So I have some books here.
I'm a little hungry.
I have some Ginny Jones. I got this one. I got this Ginny Jones. I got Bad Kitty Puppy's Big Day. I got Ramona and her mother.
Yeah, well, it's out of the way.
And I got Wayside School Sideways Stories. So, yep, those are all the ones. So,
We can find it somewhere down there. It's not.
Very cute, very
so
cute.
no, we don't want to waste our
The
battery.
battery.
So, we're concerned about the bacteria.
I said conserve the battery.
Oh. So, we gotta go. We don't want to waste our battery. So, goodbye. Ready on the count of 3, say goodbye. 1, 2, 3, goodbye. you a tour. Okay, I'm gonna give the tour.
Okay.
Okay.
It's on.
Alright, it's on? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, good. I'm gonna give you guys a tour. So, you walked in, you see this. So you just walk in, they have a nice mirror, you know, stuff like, and then bam!
Jana, where'd you put the outlets?
I had no idea. Okay, so yeah. I'm giving them a tour. So, over here we have my daddy, which also comes with this room.
What?
Which also comes with this room. So,
It?
we have the coffee over here.
You guys get a couple of waters here.
There's a TV over there. There's like just a nice desk. This, yeah, it's not that big. Okay, there's a slide. We're gonna show you. Yeah, well, it's not big. It's just like small. So here's like a nice outside sitting. We're on the second floor. We jump from here. Look, there's a slide over there, mommy. Over there, right there. Small slide. So beautiful. It's too pretty. It's too pretty. And then you see the shower. So nice.
I didn't even think of what I needed. I didn't even think of the side.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so that's the toilet. Nice. Don't want to drop you in there. Then no toilet. Wow. This is gonna be awesome. Right, guys?
Yes.
It's gonna be totally awesome. Husband.
I think that's enough of recording.
All right. We'll bring you guys to the pool. Maybe in about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, right? So.
Maybe in 2 days.
Maybe. All right. Bye, guys. Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
Oh, don't record. You gonna waste.
Are you done wearing this?
Hello, everybody. So, guys, you won't believe what was waiting for us when we walked in. Want to see it? I know you do. Ba-ding! So we ate some of it already. Like, we had some of the cookies, and we had some grapes and some cheese and some crackers and some milk as well. So, yeah. So basically, there's milk, cookies, crackers, a bunch of meat, nuts, cheese, all that kind of stuff. So, I can't believe this happened. Like, we were just waiting for this. And a note was somewhere. Where'd the note go? Oh, here it is. So, Sam is the GM. He's part of the GM. And so, welcome gift. Son, Amir and family, welcome to Balboa Bay Resort. And hope your family have a very relaxing weekend here in Newport Beach. Enjoy! So, yep, and there's a nice little cover. But my family's outside right now. What you guys doing?
Oh, just checking it out. Just checking it out, Jenna.
Can you believe what was waiting for us when we walked in?
There was something waiting for us?
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
Daddy ate half of it already.
Probably.
Why is your eye so red?
Cause I was in the water. Like, there's gotta be like I get some euros.
Let's go get some euros.
Yeah.
Okay, peace out. Brother.
Peace out, everybody.
Peace out, everybody.
Everybody's
You said euros.
It's euros.
euros. All right. On the count of 3, everybody say goodbye. 1, 2,